that relaxed thing to do. It's not a data mining. It's a, what does that all mean? And gee, that's funny. It's asking the best question. It's not finding the answer. It's asking the best question. It's taking all of that data and understanding each little piece that goes into it so that you can build a model of the world. Now, the model is not an exact representation, and it has limited value in time because the waves will crash and take it away. Or, as George Box says, all models are wrong, some models are useful. If you create a model that mathematically represents the world, you can use it to predict where you should spend your marketing money, where you should invest your medical research money, etc. It's about creativity. Is there a pattern? Is there an anomaly? What can we pull out? What else should we put in? What if we did it backwards? What if we looked at it from the other side of the fence? Okay. It's the ability to ask good questions. And then finally, it's the art of communication. Because the art of analysis by itself is nothing. What you want is, as an analyst, to be indispensable. That's the important part, right? And you do that by delivering insight. Well, insight is what comes at the bottom of the funnel. We pour data in the top, and you chop it out, and you report on it, and you create alerts, and you can automate some of the stuff. But at the bottom, it's about the insights that come out, the insights that you recognize and can pass along. So you tell stories instead of deliver reports. Two data scientists walk into a bar. Really? What happens next? Let me tell you a story. Did you feel what just happened in your brain? You just went, oh, okay, good. I can relax. He's going to tell me a story. I'm going to see a picture. I'm going to see a beginning, a middle, and an end, and I'll understand the point. It's how humans communicate. So don't give me a graph and a chart and numbers. Tell me a story about what it means and what you recommend. Don't tell me how hard it was to get the information. Tie it to the bottom line. How is this going to help me make more, spend less, and make my customers happy? Understand their goals, but the most important thing is have a damn opinion. Because otherwise, this says, okay, I'm good for IT, how about spreadsheets? Anybody here good with spreadsheets? Just another itinerant spreadsheet worker. I want you to have an insight and opinion and be specific. We can improve this in this way, in this amount of time, by this much, with this much investment. We can fix this problem very specifically in this time, and I have a way of testing to see if I'm right. We can run a test to see if it will work. And you'll face the skeptics who go, well, wait a minute, based on what? Well, we have the graphs and charts to back it up. Unless you're down like in Boston and then the shirt says, we have the charts and graphs to back us up, buddy. Or you're in California and it's a little more passive aggressive. Or it's the New York version. So people want specifics. They want it to be like bean counting. They want to know exactly how many people will do this if we do that, and that's not what analysis does. Analysis is about probability. It's about maybe. It's about on a percentage basis. It's a level of confidence. Okay? It is the ability to communicate the opinion that you have and show the charts and graphs to back it up. So, in summary, what do we learn? Big data is simply having more data than you're used to. It's meaningless without specific goals. Creativity really counts. It's not just about the numbers. It's about being creative with the numbers. All models are wrong. Some models are useful. You have to have an opinion based on those numbers. And as a bonus, one thing I want you to remember is that this is the only pie chart you should ever show to anybody, ever. If you do all those, you'll be a great analyst. Thank you very much.